Welcome to this new Xara tutorial. Today we'll show you how to create your own web blocks. Go to the Designs gallery and select the blank category to make your web block. You can choose from two types, flexible or creative. Let's start with the flexible blank block. A flexible block will automatically order and arrange the objects you place in it. You can copy, paste, or move existing objects into this blank block. In this example, we are reusing text and gallery sections. Use the Flexible Layout toolbar to order and align content as desired, then customize it however you like. Now, let's add a normal blank block, which is a creative block. In this one, the objects are unrestricted, so you can place them wherever you like. Again, copy, paste, or move existing objects into this block. Let's add a gallery, a heading, a paragraph, and a button. You can also add widgets to blank blocks. So we're adding an embedded YouTube video, and voila, that's how you create your very unique web blocks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to never miss a blocks tutorial.